Right then, first coat of paint, so it's just a quickie, and I can't see because of the sun now. Yeah, it's a noticeably different shade of green from that. I prefer that green to that green, but I've got lots more of that than I have of that. But I know an old Indian trick that my dad taught us, so I'll get back to you on that. There's a few little blebs here and there, but if I made it perfect, well, nobody would like it. So it's a damn sight better than it was though. So next job, I'm just going to get some WD-40 or 3-in-1 or something like that on there. And then I think just a little tweak for those bits, and the split nut thing that goes in there, and stick it back together. Groovy.